Okay, so today we're going to talk about, and I'm going to demonstrate some of the aspects of multi-track recording. So if I record just my voice only, and that's my one track, and I'm going to send that out to somebody, is that multi-track recording?
No.
No, good. A lot of people shaking their head no that I can see, the people I can see. No, it's not multi-track because it's one track. And oddly enough, even stereo being two tracks, right? A left and a right, that is not multi-track either. That's called a stereo recording. So many times we can take like a Zoom, the device called Zoom, not the teleconferencing software, a Zoom recorder and go out into the field and get a stereo recording of ambient sound of a game of some sort. Maybe you're going to your friend, your child, somebody's baseball game or football game, and you want to just get the overall ambient sound of it. That's a stereo recording. That's what's going on there. But when you want to do a track laid down one after the other, and I don't mean in the timeline one after the other, but I mean in the same part of the timeline, I want to hear one track as I'm recording another. That's called an overdub. I'm going to do that. I'm going to demonstrate that today in Pro Tools. That's when you start multi-track recording. If you're bringing in a band, and even if the band is two people, and someone's playing drums and someone's playing bass, and you have multiple microphones on the drums and then a mic on the bass amp, that's multi-track recording too, because you're recording more than two tracks. So that's the idea of multi-track.